In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Monday.com for beginners. To begin, you'll need to create an account on Monday.com. It's a straightforward process and just involves filling out a standard form with your basic details. Once you're set up, you can choose a workspace name that reflects either your team or the type of projects you'll be organizing, such as marketing team or client projects. This workspace will be your hub for collaboration, so go ahead and invite your team members to join. They'll receive an invitation and can set up their profiles, allowing everyone to collaborate in a shared space. Once your workspace is set, the next step is to create a new board. This is where the magic happens. Your projects, tasks, and workflows come to life on these boards. You can choose from a variety of templates such as project management, CRM, or content calendar to get started quickly, or you may prefer the blank board option if you're feeling creative. Naming your board is crucial as it should clearly reflect the project you're working on. Something like website redesign project might work if that's what you're up to. With your board ready, it's time to add groups and tasks. Groups help you categorize your workflow into different phases, which could be something like to do, in progress, and completed. Under each group, add tasks or items that are specific activities or deliverables. For instance, for a to-do group, you might add tasks like design mock-ups, write blog copy, or set up email automation. This helps articulate your plan and keeps everyone in the loop. As you organize your tasks, you'll want to use columns to capture all pertinent details. Columns allow you to track various elements like personnel assignments, task status, deadlines, and priorities. You can customize these columns based on your specific needs. For example, a people column lets you assign tasks to different team members, a status column helps you monitor progress, and a date column is great for setting deadlines. Having a priority column as well will help in distinguishing tasks based on urgency. As your projects progress, encourage your team to update and track progress daily. This means regularly updating the status of tasks, using comments to communicate effectively within tasks, and attaching any pertinent files or notes. This will ensure that everything you need is conveniently consolidated in one place. To enhance your project's clarity and accessibility, utilize the different views available. The main table view offers a comprehensive list of tasks, while the Kanban view provides a more visual layout reminiscent of sticky notes. The calendar view allows you to see all your task deadlines in a calendar format, and the timeline or Gantt view is perfect for tracking project schedules and their dependencies. For ultimate efficiency, take advantage of automations. These can help you automate repetitive tasks, such as moving a task to the completed group once it's marked done. Automations not only save time but also enhance consistency across your workflow, keeping your boards running smoothly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to